welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. I'm your host Mikey. The letter that we're going to do today is the title of this video. It's only going to be in right-handed format for this because I've been told that if you flip the video camera for the left-handed version, the letters will appear backwards for my left-handed audience. So to not upset anybody, it will not be available in left-handed. Also, in the video description, I linked the playlist where all the letters will exist. They will be provided in time, but I also put one video on how to sew the appliques to the project without going through. So if you want to add personalization of a name and not ruin your project, you can do it that way as well. So I will leave that in your hands, and without further ado, let's get started.
So let's begin the letter M using the size G 4.5mm hook with Caron 1 pound. Let's begin the letter M, and starting with the slip knot, you want to chain a total of 21. So let's just count those together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Let's begin row number 1. So let's begin. You're going to go second chain from the hook, grab the back hump of the chain, it'll look nicer, and you'll do that one. So single crochet, and now single crochet the next 9 in a row. So let's count those together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now it states to chain 5, so let's just do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to single crochet second chain from the hook all the way back to where we were. So I'm just going back up that chain 5 that we created. Okay, and then what we have to do is back here we want to single crochet the remaining of these chains that are all the way back to the very beginning. It's going to kind of look weird, isn't it? So you're just going to come all the way to the end. Keep this tail as being longer. This is the tail that you'll use to sew it down to the project. Any other loose ends that you want to deal with, you want to just use a tapestry needle to get rid of those. So here, when it's being bent, it'll be bent like this. Okay, so you just got to manipulate it a bit, and then you have the letter M. Now any tails that you want to get rid of, just make sure that you weave in the ends and leave the long one for the project itself. And I recommend just taking it through the back side of your letter. In this case it's M. And just go back and forth a total of 3 times. Therefore it'll be out of your way, and it'll be permanently in position as well. And then when you go to sew down this M to the project itself, it'll also get stuck in that process as well. And then you can safely cut that down, and then leave the long tail for when you're ready to sew it to your project. And this was the letter. Once you got the manipulation going on and you pin it down, letter M.